Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare a simple chicken curry. Ingredients required for this chicken curry are I have taken half kg chickens with bones, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, little bit chopped coriander leaves for garnishing, 2 big onions chopped, 3 green chilies cut diagonally, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, black pepper powder, salt to taste. I'm going to cook in mustard oil because I like the mustard oil flavor. So now let's get started. We are heating 3 tablespoons of oil. Now we are going to add the chopped onions. We'll saute it for some time. Once the onions become nice and translucent, we are going to add the ginger garlic paste. And we'll fry it for a few seconds. After sauteing it for near about a minute, I am going to add the spices. First I am adding the coriander powder, which is near about half teaspoon. Then I am adding the cumin powder, half teaspoon. I'll add little turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Red chili powder, half teaspoon. This depends as per your taste, as I'm going to add green chilies to it, and salt as per your taste. And now I will cook this masala till it starts leaving its sides. Now as you can see, the masala is done. It started leaving oil. I'm going to add the chicken to this. I've taken half kg chicken with bones. I've cut them with little big pieces. You can cut them as per your desire. Now I will fry it with the masalas. Cook it for maybe another 5 minutes so that the masala goes in well. Now as you can see, the masalas are all well coated. The chicken is fried also in the oil nicely. I'll add little water. For the gravy. This depends on how much gravy you want for your chicken. Mix it. Just cover it and cook till the water boils. Now our water is already boiling, so I will open the lid, and I forgot to mention one ingredient, that is the garam masala. I am using homemade garam masala powder. After the gravy starts boiling, we'll add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give it a mix. Add the coriander leaves. Give it a mix. And now cover and cook for another minute. Now after a minute, we'll open the lid. Here is our chicken curry ready. Here is our homemade chicken curry ready. It's very easy. You can savor this with rice, roti, puris. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my new recipes. Till then, see you soon. Bye.